morning, sir. We very warmly welcome you here, and we are very glad that Santosh Babu is part of this conclave spearheaded by Dr. Renuka David. Okay, so after finishing your medicine, your course on MBBS, what made you choose this career path, becoming an IAS?
Actually, this was chosen as a child, because my father used to say that IAS officers are big people. So at 5th standard, he brought me the first competition success review.
Okay.
And then, you see the success stories of people who are, so it was a preparation for a long time. But becoming a doctor was a thing of choice because in case you didn't get into the IAS,
Right,
you always had a fallback option.
Yeah, you had to have a career.
That's right.
Okay, so you chose the wellness route right from your kid stage, when when we were a kid. Okay, now looking at the videos and clips you showed there, I understand that you have emerged as one savior and redeemer for the people. So doing the right thing, like you're doing the maximum good. So you get to meet a people, so many different kinds of people on a daily basis. Do you think of promoting wellness one-to-one with different types of people you meet?
See, the idea of wellness is that, as Colonel David said, it's a 24-hour capsule. And we should think capsule-wise and every moment-wise. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery. But the living, breathing moments are the real moments of your life. The others are gone. We are not sure about what is going to happen in the future. So we have to maximize the happiness within. And this will happen only when you don't think about yourself.
Yes, right.
At no point should you think about yourself. Of course, students should think about themselves. They should think how much they can take from their parents, how much they can take from the books, etc. But once you are into a system and you're in employment, you should be a 100% giver. So that 100% giver will give you the greatest happiness. And that's the happiness I always get.
Okay. So not me, but you. That's a concept which you have. And then, sir, is this wellness close to your heart, and how will you be here promoting it next year also?
Absolutely. I think this is a nice conclave, Radiant Wellness Conclave. I'm very privileged to be part of it, and Dr. Renuka called me. I was extremely happy to be part of it because, as a person, I'm a person who gets up in the morning, does a lot of exercise, yoga, etc. I have time capsules for everything that I do, and 5:45 I'm closed. I switch off. So there's no taking work home or home to work. At home also you perform well, at the office also you perform well. That's because you're able to delegate time for everything and everybody. And you should have, if you are a person thinking about wellness, I think you should have more time at your disposal for everything and everybody. You should never use the word busy, which is not a sign of, I think it's a symptom of the unwellness. So if you're well and happy, you'll have time for everything and everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you again.